So here's the results for our 6 Rolling Thunder challenge. It's our jQuery mobile application to build out for our mobile website for CloudSpokes. Now we've been running this in an agile fashion that we call the Rolling Thunder. It's where we have a challenge, a small challenge that we run for 2 days. We grade the challenge the next day, and then we launch a follow-up challenge for more work that same day. So it's a very agile methodology to build applications in the cloud. This challenge was to build the challenge details page for our site. So we had 6 entries for this challenge. I'm going to go ahead and show you 5 real quick in no particular order. So this is Prashanth Reddy's application that he submitted. He submitted 2 versions of this, so you can see when it loads up, you get all the information on the requirements, the details, what's needed for this application. And you can see he also did a different version, a little white version, white background. It's got the images on here. So this actually came out pretty well, kind of like this one. The next submission was for Force Experts, and we really liked this one. This one was really cool. So he's got this page right here. It tells the technologies. You can hit register and watch and submit your entry. The summary is really cool. It has the time left, total prizes. You can actually click on the prize money here, and it pops up all the prizes. You can look at the participants. You can click and go to the overview, the requirements, submission details, additional information. And some cool things about it here, he actually has a discussion panel down here. You can look at discussions and submit your discussion board comments right here. This is a really cool application. We really like this one a lot. The next one is Justin Lau's, and we like this one too. We had problems judging all these, so we had 4 really good submissions that we had a hard time judging, and I think at the end it came down to who submitted first, because when we averaged the scores out from all of our internal judges, they came out to be about the same. So the actual final judging went down to who submitted first. So Justin actually did some really cool stuff. He had some of the icons here, and he had a counter, so you can actually count down to when the challenge ends. You can click here and you can get some information on an FAQ and everything. It's got the total prize money. You can expand that, and he did a little. I like how he's done this here, so you can see the different prize money here. Same thing for participants. He's got the participants' names and their status, which that was really cool, and you could click to go see the participants. The overview, of course, the requirements, which has the assets here, and then the submission details. He's got the delivery formats down here, and then the judging criteria. So you also would, in theory, pull in the scorecards to show the criteria for judging here, and then you could register or watch here also. I'm not sure what this does here. Let's take you back. Actually, his application is a fully working application hosted on App Engine, so that's really cool. We really like the ideas he had for his application. The next one here, this is Salesforce. We thought it was cool because we love this timer here, even though I think it may be labeled wrong. I'm not sure how the minutes is counting down so fast. Maybe that's internet time. So you come in here and it actually has the overview, requirements, and the details already expanded for you for easier reading. And these all look really cool on a mobile device. We loaded them up on some iPads and some phones, and they look really cool. But we really liked on his how he had a little, it was easy to see on an overview of what the prize money participants and discussion boards were. So it was really cool. If you wanted to see more about the prize money, you could just expand it. Same thing in the participants. He gave a little thing here where you actually had the photos and some of this information off their leaderboard information. And then also discussion. So he had the discussion board here also. You could expand that and actually post discussion. So we really like Salesforce's also. Really cool ideas. And the last one is Alphon J, and his was really cool also. His is really clean, easy to read. So you've got the title, the number of hours here that's left, the technologies, the overview, the requirements, the details, and you can register and add to watch list here, which was really cool. But he also had these pages right here, so these tabs actually take you to different parts of the challenge, which I thought was really cool, because you may not want to see the information all the time, and you can select this and see all the information at a glance on what's required on here. And then he's got one for the comments also, so you can go and post a discussion board. So those are the 5 submissions we've got for the 6 of our Rolling Thunder challenges. And again, this one is to build out the details page. So really cool ideas. We'll be using these and form an application later on down the road to have built out based on all these ideas.